Hello and welcome to the new County Interactive Mapping System. All links should be now connected from the main gallery or the county's website. In order to access the website, the parcel information website, please agree or to the disclaimer. The tools have changed from the previous versions. All search capability is now located under the search button right below the county name. Click on search parcels, and in some counties you can search by parcel number, name, and site address. Some counties it's just parcel number and site address, and some counties it's just parcel number and name. If you find yourself not being able to search by site address in here, you can always use the geocode and address, and then you can search via the way you do normally with like Google Maps or Bing Maps or any other mapping service. So the first thing we'll do here is we're going to search by name. So I'm just going to do Smith, and it'll take a second. So this then populates all of the Smiths that are in the county. You'll notice too that they are also highlighted in orange. So we'll just go to Larry and Connie C. Smith. Looks like they own several parcels. So once you locate their parcel, the parcel numbers now automatically turn on at a certain level. You go up and you hit this identify button here, and then you just click on the parcel. What'll happen is it'll take just a second and that information will pop up. Sometimes the details will take a second to pop up. So then you got your improvements. There's no improvements on this parcel, photo, taxing districts, and Google. So Google essentially is just an aerial image of it. You can also, using the catalog button, you can go through and you can turn aerial imagery on. You can also expand all of the taxing districts. So now we have all the taxing districts located. The wells are out there. We do have the statewide roads layer, so those do turn on too as well. The wells, townships, sections, and ranges. If you find yourself not being able to see a layer, it might be because it's higher or lower in the table of contents. You can adjust that by going to visual and moving stuff up and down using the up and down arrows. You can also turn them off here. Once you turn them off here, it'll disappear. You'll have to go back into your catalog and turn it back on in order to see it. If there's a bunch of layers that you use on a consistent basis, you can now click the favorites. So let's say I'm constantly using the ambulance district. You can actually go through and it then is added to your favorites. If you exit the browser, come back in, it'll still be added as a favorite. You can also now do a buffer. So we are going to just select a parcel. So the first thing you want to do is hit select feature up here, draw a point, select the parcel, and we're going to do a 500-foot buffer or 400-foot. See, you'll notice that the dot or the round circle gets bigger. So we want to query it on parcels, and you'll notice that the list of all those parcels will pop up. When you want to clear that out, the table down here, just hit the little recycling trash can there. If you want to clear the circle, hit clear previous selections. If you'd like to print a nice map, we have the ability to do that now. So you can take my map, and you can change it from, we'll just do letter, and just hit the print button here, and it'll take a second, and it'll download it as a PDF. So then you get this nice little map that is printable. As of this recording, we're still working on getting print details to populate really well. I'll update this video when that happens. Any of the help videos, including this one, documentation, are located up on the right. Thanks for using the county mapping system, and have a great day.